In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a music player with Elementor in WordPress. We'll walk through this step by step, so even if you're new to Elementor or WordPress, just follow along and pause whenever you need to. First, open your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main menu. Look for the Elementor option in that menu. Hover your mouse over it, and then click on the editor option that appears. This will open Elementor's dashboard inside WordPress. Once Elementor loads, look at the top left corner and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the visual editor where you can actually build and customize your pages. Inside the editor, focus again on the left panel. This is where all your Elementor widgets live. You'll see different elements like headings, images, and so on. Scroll through this panel until you find the HTML widget. Click and drag that HTML widget onto the area of your page where you want the music player to appear. As soon as you drop it onto the page, the left panel will reload and show a field where you can paste custom HTML code. In that HTML code field, paste the same code I'm using in this tutorial. You can pause this video and check the description box for a link to the exact code so you can copy it without mistakes. Once you paste the code, Elementor will render it, and you should immediately see an audio player appear on your page preview. Now, take a look back at the code you just pasted. After the part that says src, you'll see a placeholder for the audio file URL. This is where your actual audio file needs to go. We're going to replace that placeholder with the real URL of your audio. To get that URL, head back to your main WordPress dashboard. On the left menu, find Media, hover over it, and select Add New or Add Media File, depending on what you see. Click Select Files if you're uploading from your computer. A pop-up window will open where you can locate your audio file. Choose your file, then click Open or press Enter. Wait for the upload to finish. When it's done, you'll see an option to copy the file URL. Click Copy URL to Clipboard. Now return to Elementor. In the HTML code field, carefully replace the placeholder URL after src with the audio URL you just copied. Make sure you don't remove any quotation marks or other parts of the code, just swap out the link itself. Once you're happy with how the music player looks and everything is working, go to the top right corner of Elementor. You can click Publish to make your changes live right away, or click the small downward arrow next to it and choose Save Draft if you want to keep working and publish later. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom music player to your WordPress site using Elementor.